Here I'm performing an incline Smith machine bench press. You can see I'm setting myself up in a position that allows the bar to align nicely. I want it to be around where the middle or tip of your sternum is, or your chest bone. So basically I'm going to be shifting my bench accordingly so that it aligns with that position. As you can also see that I am not allowing the bar to go all the way to touch my top of my chest or my sternum, because that would mean that it puts my chest or my pec muscle in an overstretched position. So we want to put the chest or the pec muscle in that lengthen or stretch position at the bottom. However, it does not mean that we need to have the bar touching the sternum or the chest bone, because that can mean that the pec or chest muscle becomes overstretched or out of its working range, which we do not want. We want to work our joints through the full range of motion, and since the pec or the chest muscle starts from the rib slash sternum and attaches to the upper arm, at the end of the day we want to making sure that we get a full range of motion in the shoulder, but we do not want to go all the way down that takes the chest out of it, because at the end of the day we want to have constant tension on the chest. So as you can see here, I am not allowing the bar to go all the way to touch my chest. I'm allowing to go low enough that it puts the chest or the pectoral muscle in a stretched position, but not overstretching it at the bottom. In terms of positioning ourselves, I want you to create a slight arch at your lower back to create that stability. And as you can see, I have brought my feet back such that my heels are off the floor, so that when it gets towards failure, I push my heels down, which allows for greater stability and greater output. Also, you can notice that my elbows and my wrists are aligned with each other at that position when I'm holding the bar, and that is what I want. I want your wrist to be stacked on top of your elbow for the greatest stability. And I'm controlling the movement throughout, not rushing it or using excessive momentum.